So let's talk about effects and transitions. What are these and why you need to use it? Basically, to go from one clip to another clip very seamlessly, very smoothly, you can use transitions. Now, there are different kind of transitions. You can create transitions while you're shooting, or you can create transitions while you're editing. So when you're shooting, those transitions are called in-camera transitions because you're shooting and you're creating the transition at that time. Now, when you're creating transitions in editing, that's called post transitions. So I'm going to show you examples of two of my favorite transitions. One is in camera transition and the other one is in the editing. And let's go to Premiere Pro and let's start it. So these are the two clips. Now let me play this clip for you. And we'll reveal the second clip from this side. So what you need to do is we'll create a simple masking here and we'll just mask this portion and reveal the second video. So how we do that? Let's quickly go to the pen tool and select this. So let's select a point, for example, from here. From here we want to start. So we'll just select the pen tool here and just set this to, let's say, 25%. Let's create a random mask and create a mask path here, create a mask feather so that it will look soft, and just click on this one. Invert this so that we can see the actual video. Now what we'll do is we'll go a few frames further and we'll just drag this. And let's go a few frames further and just drag this. Create new point here and just drag this further. Keep dragging and it will automatically create these points. See? Let's go further. Let's rotate this and just go to the end and just cover this with the mask. So basically what we have done is we have masked out the area and then we'll just place the second clip underneath and we'll show you the final outcome. So let's just move this clip up and drag this clip and let's play the video. I'm going to increase the mask a bit. That's fine. Let's play this. Wow, it looks amazing. So that's how you can simply shoot a video like this, and then in the editing you can just reveal a new clip using the first clip. And now we'll go to the second transition, which is speed ramp transition. This is also my favorite transitions. So in this first clip we are snow biking, and in the second clip this is just a shot of me. So what I'll do is I'll just slow it down and speed it up at the end, and you will see the magic. What you need to do is you need to right click and go to the show clip frames and select time remapping and select speed. So now once you do that, you will zoom in and you will create points using control and click and drag it, control and click. You can create as many points as you want. I'm just showing you how to do that. So firstly, I'll just slow it down. See, just when this gets in focus here. So what I'll do is I'll just slow it down till 20%. See? So why I've slowed it down till 20%? Because I've shot this video in 120 frames and my timeline is 24 frames. So 120 divided by 24 is equal to 5. So 5 times I can slow it down. So till 20% I can slow it down. For example, if you shoot your videos in 60 frames, then you can slow it down till 40%. See, it looks really amazing from fast to slow, and then at the end again fast. We can also increase the speed. Increase it as you like it. Then I'm going to combine this second clip. I'm just going to do the same thing, show clip frames, time remapping speed, and then control and click. Zoom in, control and click. So first one is to just slow it down, zoom in, and just drag this using the click and slow it down, let's say till again 20%. Now let me play this video. See, it goes very smoothly from one clip to another clip like this. Zoom. Zoom. Like this. So it looks seamless. That's an amazing transition. I would highly suggest you to try out both these things. So some people like in-camera transitions and some like to add transitions in the post, but I like both these kind of transitions. I use it according to what I need. So just one point I want to add, that if you want to do in-camera transitions, then you have to plan it in advance. You cannot add it in the post if you have not shot accordingly. Now let's talk about adding sound effects to your videos. Sound effects are really important. It adds to the visuals. It adds to the environment. If you're near the waterfall or if you're in the jungle, you would want to listen to that sound. If you're just playing the visuals with the music, it's not connecting with the audience. When you add the sound effects, people feel like they're there, with you. They're exploring the place. So that's why you should add it. So here I'm going to play the video with sound effects. For example, it's a drone shot, so I've added a wind sound effects. This is a shot of river flowing, so I've added a river sound effects. You feel like you're there. So now try to add sound effects and transitions to your videos and see how it makes the difference.